Suzuki has always been a brand known for reliability, performance, and affordability. With the 2025 GSX-8R, Suzuki takes a bold step into the middleweight sportbike segment, offering a fully fared version of the much-acclaimed GSX-8S. The 8R builds upon the platform of its naked sibling but aims to cater to riders looking for a sportier edge with aerodynamic styling and improved handling characteristics. The first thing you'll notice about the GSX-8R is its aggressive styling. The full fairing gives it a sleek, modern appearance, clearly inspired by Suzuki's GSX-R lineage. The LED lighting setup, including a sharp dual-beam headlamp, contributes to its futuristic look. The bike is available in a variety of colors, including Suzuki's signature blue with bold graphics, along with a stealthy black option for riders who prefer a more understated look. A well-sculpted fuel tank and sharp fairings ensure improved aerodynamics, making the GSX-8R look fast even when it's standing still. The split-seat design adds to its sportbike credentials, although Suzuki has managed to retain a level of comfort that makes it suitable for everyday rides. At the heart of the 2025 GSX-8R is the same 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that powers the GSX-8S. This liquid-cooled, DOHC motor produces approximately 82 horsepower and 57 lb-ft of torque, making it a formidable contender in the middleweight class. The 270-degree crankshaft gives the bike a unique, torquey character, somewhat reminiscent of a V-twin, providing an engaging and punchy riding experience. Suzuki has tuned the GSX-8R for a slightly sportier feel, with revised fuel mapping and a sharper throttle response. The bike pulls strongly from the low end and has a broad mid-range, making it enjoyable both in city traffic and on twisty backroads. Top-end power delivery remains smooth, ensuring the bike never feels underpowered on the highway. Suzuki has equipped the GSX-8R with a steel trellis frame, optimized for rigidity and weight balance. The Showa SFFBP inverted front forks and rear monoshock provide a good balance between sporty performance and ride comfort. While it doesn't have the fully adjustable suspension seen on some high-end sport bikes, the stock setup is well tuned for both spirited rides and daily commutes. The clip-on handlebars are positioned slightly higher than a traditional supersport, making the riding posture more accessible for a wide range of riders. It strikes a great balance between an aggressive stance and everyday usability, meaning it won't be a wrist killer on longer rides. The GSX-8R rides on 17-inch cast aluminum wheels, wrapped in Dunlop Roadsport 2 tires, providing excellent grip and confidence-inspiring feedback. Suzuki's bidirectional quick shift system comes standard, allowing for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, adding to the bike's performance-oriented feel. Braking duties are handled by dual 310mm front discs with 4-piston radial-mounted calipers, paired with a 240mm rear disc and a single-piston caliper. The braking setup is strong, providing ample stopping power with a progressive feel. The standard ABS system ensures stability under hard braking, making it a reliable choice for both new and experienced riders. In terms of rider aids, Suzuki has incorporated its Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, which includes 3 ride modes, A, B, C, adjusting power delivery and throttle response, traction control system, TCS, with multiple levels of intervention, low RPM assist to prevent stalling at low speeds, ride-by-wire throttle for a smooth, precise feel. While the GSX-8R is positioned as a sportier alternative to the GSX-8S, it hasn't sacrificed rider comfort. The 31.9-inch seat height is accessible for most riders, and the ergonomics remain comfortable for extended rides. The seat itself is well padded, making it suitable for both daily commuting and weekend canyon carving. The windscreen offers decent wind protection, reducing fatigue on longer highway stints. Passenger accommodations are reasonable for a sport bike, with a slightly elevated rear seat and grab handles. The 2025 GSX-8R features a 5-inch full-color TFT display, offering crisp and easy-to-read information. The interface provides vital stats such as speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and ride mode selection. It also includes smartphone connectivity via Suzuki's MySpin app, allowing access to navigation, music, and call notifications. Other notable features include a USB charging port, a keyless ignition system, and an easy start function that requires just a single press of the starter button. Despite its sporty nature, the GSX-8R remains practical with an estimated 50 miles per gallon, giving it a respectable range from its 4.2-gallon fuel tank. This makes it a viable option for those looking for an efficient yet engaging sport bike for both daily use and weekend fun.